Good morning, Chiku. Glad it's a brand new day. Yay! I feel good. Chiku, when you feel your tummy funny, what do you do? Potty, potty, it's okay. We go to potty every day. When your tummy says, oh, 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 to the bathroom you should go. Mama, my tummy feels funny. When your tummy says, oh, 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 to the bathroom you should go. When your tummy says, oh, 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 Mama, my tummy feels funny. What will Chiku do now? First step, stop playing. First step, tell Mama or Papa. Third step, go to the potty. I can do it. Run, run, run to the potty seat. Sit, 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 nice and neat. Clap, 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 you did it right. Chiku is smart, yay, so bright. Mama, I did it. I am so proud of you, Chiku. Good job, Chiku. You learned something new today. 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 Potty, potty, it's okay. We go to potty every day. When your tummy says, oh, 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 to the bottom you should go. Did you learn potty time with Chiku? See you in the next fun adventure.